Today is Tuesday, the 11th of July, and I'm here in Malmö with my good friend Nivo, Simple Sound, and we are at Fryshuset. We're doing a show in Folkets Park, and let's go say hi to everybody. Hey Rune.
Yo, what's up, man?
How's it going?
It's going good. You know,
And
we got some stories in the making around here.
Very
So
cool.
yeah, you're interrupting. Actually, we're about to record.
See you. How's it going, Philip?
Well, I'm not going, I'm scooting. It's
How's
going real electrified.
I hope people read the tour plan and they're actually joining us.
Behind these.
For sure.
I can't read.
Apparently Philip might or might not have read the tour plan. This is today's stage. Gonna have the audience sitting here on benches apparently. Great stage. Let's go say hi to the sound techs and do a sound check.
He's gonna take my job.
Hello.
Hello.
Good to see you.
Same, brother.
Today is sun is so strong. Today is Malmö. Hi on the vlog.
Good, how's it going?
Nice, good.
Eat some cake, man.
Oh, there's free cake. I'm going to do a show in 2 minutes. Let's go watch the stage. We finished the show. The sun is really strong, so I look angry. It was a good show, and we had Simple Sound do 2 solos. How was it?
It was amazing. The sound was perfect. The people were perfect. They were vibey. I will do it again, definitely.
Definitely. It's very cool. And we showed you the stage. It was full of people. Actually, pretty surprisingly, I thought there wouldn't be so many because it looked so empty. But it was packed.
Young,
And,
old and young and every age. It's nice
they
to see.
had a good time. And now we're gonna head home. Maybe find some food. Let's see. Goodbye, you lovely people. Oh, we had 2 guests in the show today. Not only Nivo, Simple Sound, but we also had Afrik join us. It was very good. Full show.
Full energy in Malmö, first time.
Hey.
In Malmö.
Hey. And we're gonna come back the 21th for your event. Probably. See you, brother.
Yeah.
Take care.
Good. Hey, I don't feel good, bro. I'm feeling.
Little workshop done.
Yeah, it was good.
People are too busy to talk to me. Let's get out of here.
Fun. Yes, and now we do all together and clap.
See you.
And clap. And
Bobra, syng en sang.
hvad mener du rigtigt?